Hi beautiful people, how you guys doing today? If this is your first time on seeing my face, hi, my name is Etiosa. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in today. And if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button down below. And if you do not forget to turn on your notification button so you will be notified whenever I'll be uploading a new video. For my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for tuning in today. So guys, in today's video I'll be giving you guys a very active or effective recipe on how to make molato soup. So this particular recipe that I'll be giving you guys today is totally different from the first one I gave you guys. Okay, this one is super effective. When I mean effective, I mean this is going to whiten up your skin within 7 to 14 days. So if you don't want to whiten up your skin, you don't need to use this soap. Even me, I cannot dare use this soap because it's not for my skin type, because this particular soap is going to give you 4 to 5 shade lighter. Okay, it's super effective. So I just thought to let you guys know before you watch this video, before you continue watching this video. So this particular recipe that I'll be giving you guys today, we are going to be using just one particular soap. Okay, so we're not going to be making use of glutathione, making use of kojic, making use of snow white soap, making use of different kind of soap. No, we are going to be making use of just one particular soap in this recipe, and the soap we're going to be making use of is kojic acid soap. You guys know that kojic soap is one of the most effective whitening soap that we have in the market. So if you want to make a very strong whitening soap, then you have to use kojic soap. And this soap, let me let you guys know, this is super expensive. Okay, this is a luxury soap. It's super expensive. So if you know that you want to make this and sell for people, definitely you will get your money. But if you know that you want to make this for yourself, it's your skin. So it depends on how you want to do it. You can just decide to make a very small batch and use. Okay, so this particular recipe is very expensive. Okay, kojic soap is not cheap, and you know that when making molato soap you need a lot of soap to be able to make a large quantity, but it all depends on the quantity you want to make. So kojic soap, I think they have one of 4,000, 3,000, 2,000, 1,500 or 1,000 something. So kojic soap is not cheap at all. So in this recipe we are going to be making use of different varieties of kojic soap. I know many of us don't know that they have different kind of kojic soap. We actually thought maybe it's just one particular kojic soap, which is kojic, and no, there are so many kojic soaps in the market. And then I have some on my list here that I already googled out, and I wrote the names down, and I'll be dropping their pictures on the screen so you guys will know the soap I'm talking about. Okay, the first soap that we're going to be making use of is kojic acid soap, and then we have kojic sand skin lightening soap, we have Marie France skin and body care. Okay, and then we have kojic white soap, we have papaya kojic blend, we have papaya white and glutathione, and then we have kojic depermitted soap. Okay, so if you notice these soaps here, some of them contain papaya. Okay, so it's a very good idea for you to use this. Okay, you can decide to add in papaya extract into this recipe as well. Okay, because this soap already contains papaya and kojic. There's only one soap that I have here that contains kojic and glutathione, but it doesn't matter because the main active ingredient is kojic. Okay, so this is going to make your skin very white. Okay, this is going to work for you very well. You know, if you want to know what I'm talking about, just buy one of these kojic soap and use it for 1 week, 2 weeks. You will see what I'm talking about. And then we are making some different kind of effective kojic soaps here, so it's a perfect blend. All right, so we're going to be making 500 grams. Okay, but for now I don't really know the quantity of kojic by the time you blend it. Okay, so what you're going to do for me is, when you get your kojic soaps, then you use your scale to measure it, to know the gram that it is. Then you divide it, you divide your percentage by the grams, and then you get the grams of your ingredients, your active ingredients. Okay, so now the first ingredient that we're going to be making use of is kojic blend. Okay, so in this kojic blend we need different kind of kojic soaps. You can decide to make use of just 3 or 4 different type of kojic soaps, so you don't really need to use everything here. So I just thought to let you guys know that you can get a lot of kojic soaps in the market and make use of anyone that you want to make use of. And then the second ingredient that we need is glycerin. Okay, glycerin is a humectant. It's very very good in adding moisture into our skin. And then you'll be needing shea butter so that it can add moisture into your skin. By the time you end up using this soap, it's going to dry out your skin, so you need something that can actually add in moisture into your skin and moisturize your skin whenever you use it. So that is the main reason why you need to add in shea butter into this recipe. So shea butter is an emollient. It's very very good when it comes to moisturizing the skin. Okay, it will leave a very good and smooth moisture whenever you use the soap. Okay, and then we have papaya extract. It's a whitening extract. Then we have papaya wash, we have kojic body wash, and then we have rose water. So now for the kojic body wash, you can get any body wash that contain kojic. Okay, I don't really know the specific one I'll be telling you guys, but you can actually just get a soap that contain kojic. Okay, the wash is what you're going to use to ferment your kojic soaps. Okay, so then you need lactic acid. Lactic acid is an exfoliator. And then you need skin free milk, you need neem oil, you need anti-green vein, you need Shenic perfect leg stage 2, then you need kojic acid, then you need whitening canicle. Okay, so now with all the ingredients I have here, so you need to add in your preservative, which is German plus, and then you need to add in essential oil of your choice. And then you can decide to add in food coloring just to add in more color, but I'm guaranteeing you guys that this soap is going to give you a very beautiful yellow or peach color, because kojic is already orange in color. So that's just it. And then for your glycerin, okay, you'll be needing 3%. Okay, your shea butter, you'll be needing 5%. Your papaya extract, you'll be needing 3%. Then your papaya wash, it depends on the consistency that you want. You can start to pour in the full bottle, you can start to buy 2 bottles, but it depends on the quantity that you want to make and how you want the consistency to be like. And then for your rose water, you need like 10 or 20%, so you can decide to add in rose water and kojic wash. Rose water is very very good for redness, so it's going to help calm your body and your face down. And then you need lactic acid, which is going to help to exfoliate your skin. And then you need skin free milk. Skin free milk, you need 10%. Okay, it's a whitening serum. And then neem oil, you need 10% as well. Neem oil is very very good for acne, it's good for hyperpigmentation, it's good for discoloration and also body acne. And then you need Sheni perfect leg, you need 10% of that. Sheni perfect leg is for green vein, it's an anti-green vein, anti-stretch mark, and anti black spot. Okay, it's very very good for green vein, it's good for stretch mark, it's good for dark spots, and also it's good for pimple. And then you need kojic acid. Okay, so kojic acid is your active powder. Since this soap already contain kojic, okay, so you need kojic powder to boost the effectiveness. So you don't need to make use of different kind of powders, you don't need to make use of Snow White, making use of kojic, making use of glycerin, making use of alpha arbutin. You just need 1 or 2 actives to add into this recipe. You need kojic acid powder, make kojic deplemented. You need 5%. And then you need whitening canicle, you need 5%. So for your preservative you need 1%, and for your essential oil you also need 1%. So how to make this soap: after you get your kojic soap, grate everything in your bowl. After grating it, you pour in your rose water and your kojic shower gel. Then you leave it overnight to ferment very well. Okay, then after fermenting, or after 2 days, then you add in your shea butter, glycerin, papaya extract, and the rest. Okay, so now for your shea butter, you need to melt it. Okay, make sure you melt it with a double boiler method before adding it into it, so it can mix very well. And then for your lactic acid, you can add 2%, your skin free milk 10%. So you need to measure out all of these things before adding it to it. Don't just pour the full bottle into it because you want the soap to be active. Okay, so that's just basically it. This soap is super effective, as I've said, and it's going to help whiten your skin and give you a very beautiful skin. So if you know about some other anti-green vein and anti-stretch mark product that you know that are very very active, you you can decide to add in more into it, because this soap is going to whiten up your skin. And in order for you to prevent this soap from giving you stretch mark and green vein, you need to add in anti-green vein. You can decide to add in stretch mark amples, Crot Canicle, Bel Air Clads, Sheni Perfect Leg, Rescue Oil, rose what's the other oil called, bio oil. So those oils are going to help to prevent stretch mark and green vein, and this soap is going to whiten up your skin. So what you need to do after making this soap, you need to calculate your price, guys, because this soap is going to be very, very expensive. So I will try to make this as well, because I have not started making my product yet. I'm still working on it, on my formula, before we launch our products. So you can start to make these for few people. So just make this soap, sell it. Okay, you can just make, you don't need to make 500 grams of this soap, except for people that want to pay. So you can start to just make 200 grams of this soap, or 200 ml of this soap, and then you sell. So it depends on the price you're going to be putting on it, and that's just it. And I promise you, anybody that is going to buy this soap from you are going to come back asking for more, because this soap is one in a million. So you can, and you decide to add in anti-pimple bar soap and 7 days whitening bar soap into it if you wish to. And while doing that, please and please and please make sure you mix properly, and do not use different kind of soap. That might actually change the color of your soap. Okay, it might change the color of your soap. And also your choice of packaging also matter. Okay, do not use a metal cover to cover your soap. Use a plastic cover, so the color cannot deoxidize. Okay.
Alright guys, quick one here. So when you make this soap, do not forget to check the pH level. It's very, very important. And also this soap can be used for the face and for the body. All you need to do is just to apply it on your body and leave it for like 5 minutes, and you rinse off. And please guys, don't forget to leave a comment down below. Give me a review if you make this soap, and let me know how it worked on your skin. And I hope you guys like this video.
So if you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe, like this video, share and comment, and see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye. Mwah.